This time, Ta-Kei will make OKOSAMA Lunch, a children's dish. OKOSAMA Lunch, which consists of children's favorite dishes on a single plate, was first served in 1930 in the dining room of the Mitsukoshi department store in Nihonbashi, Tokyo. The standard OKOSAMA lunch consists of one plate with some children's favorite dishes, such as hamburger steak, fried shrimp, spaghetti, and chicken rice. A little bit of something delicious is the concept of traditional Japanese cooking, such as kaiseki cuisine. First, prepare the hamburger steak. 1 small onion. Finely chop the onion. Remove from heat when onion is golden brown. Breadcrumb, 4 tablespoons. Milk, 4 tablespoons. Whisked egg, half. Half clove garlic. Two tablespoons mayonnaise. A pinch of salt and pepper. Add the onions and let sit in the refrigerator for a while. Remove any air by running your hands back and forth. Microwave potatoes for 5 minutes. Bake the hamburger and potatoes in the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Prepare the fried shrimp. Since this is a kid's lunch for adults, make the shrimp large. Tie 3 shrimp together and roll them in thin slices of meat. This time, coat the shrimp with rice flour. Dip the fried shrimp in a beaten egg and coat it with breadcrumbs. Prepare the tartar sauce. Chop onions. Add Canton-su vinegar mix, and marinate the onion the day before. Prepare 2 boiled eggs. Add the onion marinade. Mayonnaise and pepper. Arrange the cabbage slices on a serving platter. Serve the chicken rice in almond-shaped molds. Arrange the spaghetti and fried egg. Failure 1. Arrange the potatoes and hamburger steak. Failure 2. The hamburger steak sauce was supposed to be made with ketchup, but it was made with tonkatsu sauce and Worcestershire sauce by mistake. The color and viscosity could not be made beautifully, and the taste of the sauce was not good. Serve the made large fried shrimp and tartar sauce.
Oh no!
When the tartar sauce was placed on the fried shrimp, the sauce flowed and could not be served cleanly. The children's lunch is a lot of work but a delightful meal.
Wow!
One of the pleasures of children's lunch and Japanese kaiseki cuisine is to wonder where to start. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.